Stop just saving your pennies. Start making your money work for you. Investing in stocks isn't just for the Wall Street big shots. It's for everyone. So, you want to dive into the world of stocks, but don't know where to start? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is a stock? Simply put, buying a stock means buying a tiny piece of a company. If the company does well, so do you. If it doesn't, well, your investment might shrink. Now, how do you start? First, you'll need a broker. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. There are plenty of online platforms where you can set up an account in no time. Next up, research is key. Start with companies you already know and use daily. Love streaming movies? Consider entertainment companies. Can't live without your morning latte? Look into coffee chains. But here's a pro tip: diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different industries to reduce risk. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The market will have its ups and downs, so patience is crucial. Start small, think big. With consistent investments, even small amounts can grow over time. And always keep learning. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. Ready to start your investment journey? Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Happy investing!